Hi everyone. So I made a video yesterday on YouTube about the stock market, and I realized that the camera angle was a little off, and I figured I might as well make one for Instagram where I redo that video. Um, so I can also switch the camera here, I believe. Yeah, sorry. Um, which was what the problem was before. I just had to turn the phone and hope that I was showing the right thing, which I wasn't. So anyways, I wanted to talk about the stock market first, which is people are expecting a crash. It already did crash and then it went back up. And a lot of people are saying that there may be another crash in the future. And so I went ahead and did a reading on that. And from what I'm seeing, I'm expecting a crash sometime around December. I could be off, so don't bet your life savings on this. Take this as a form of speculation and entertainment. I did do a psychic reading on coronavirus, which I will go into after this, which was pretty damn accurate. Right after I said it was going to go down, it started going down, and I said I was going to go down and do this curve thing, and it's starting to flatten out and do this flat line, and now after that I predicted it was going to go straight down again, which it has yet to do. So we'll see if that all happens exactly as I said. The one thing that was a little off was I said from the time I made that video, I think it was August 12th is when I made that video. It was August 12th. I also said that it would take a month and a half or so for it to kind of go down to the point where the whole pandemic to some degree wasn't a serious pandemic, although I do want to be clear, I wasn't saying that it would go away completely, just that it would get to the point where it's not like a pandemic where people can go back to sort of probably still wearing masks, probably still doing what we're doing, but to the point where people aren't as worried about it, basically. And where it's just going to be a constant thing that's just always in the background. So I'm not saying it's going to go away. But anyways, before I get into that and show my prediction on that and how that came true for the most part, except the timeline was a little bit off because it's a month and a half later and it still hasn't completely gone away. Or it hasn't gone really low, although it has been going down. I did say in the video that it might take longer than a month and a half, so we'll see what happens. Maybe in a couple of weeks it'll be going down pretty low. For the stock market, if you are new to investing or you've never invested, basically you want to invest. The way to get the best deal is to invest when it's at the very lowest, because then it's going to go high. So when the market crashes, you don't want to have money in the stock market before it crashes. You want to have your money ready to go after it crashes, so that you can put it in at that moment, and then it will grow and you'll make profit off of that. And so that's why it's important to know when the stock market crashes. And you can sign up for a brokerage account in advance if you want. That way you really, you'll have everything set up for when it does crash. I'll leave a link below this to where you can get a free brokerage account, and you can also get a free stock if you sign up with that link. So anyways, I was seeing around December, give or take, I'm seeing that that's probably about when the stock market will crash again for 2020. And then what keeps coming up for me is June 2021. So next year around June, there could be another crash in the stock market. So take this all with a grain of salt. It might not be exactly what I'm saying, but that was what showed up for me within meditation. So, and if you're questioning how accurate am I? I'm not saying 100% accurate, but I do want to share this, which is I'm just going to show on my computer what I have set up. This is a video that I made a while ago. So this is me, August 12th, 2020. So when I made this prediction, I just want to show here really quick. This is the updated, this is the coronavirus death toll. So here we are right now today. August 12th is right there. Right there. Right before it all started going. Okay, so this is where we started reopening around here, and everything shot up, and we're reopening the economy, and everything got bad. And then right there is where I made that prediction saying it was about to start going down soon, and then it started going down, and then it started kind of going flat like I was saying in the video. And then what I was predicting for the future is that it's going to just kind of go like steeper down after it goes flat for a little while. Just to show you the whole perspective of what's going on here. This is the full timeline. You know, this is when it was all happening in other countries. Around this time, when it started going up a little bit, I made a video way back talking about how there was going to be like what I was saying. Obviously I see things through symbols, but what I was saying was a bomb being dropped by a bird on America, and like tanks being shot from like around the Middle East or so approximately towards America. And I still don't really know exactly what to make of these symbols. These are just messages that I get, and I like to leave it up to the readee to make of that what they will. So this is the timeline of the deaths so far. So anyways, I want to go back to this video that I made right here on August 12th, right there. That's when I made this video, August 12th.
For a little bit, and kind of like starting to go down, and then kind of like almost curves and like almost flat lines again, and then it goes back down again. But after it does that, it starts to like almost come a flat line again. So it's going like pretty much almost, I mean, not straight down, you know, pretty steep down, almost completely, but still like having a little bit. I don't say just vanishing, of course, in some cases here and there for a good long while. Is the way that I was seeing it. What I got was that the pandemic would be mostly going away in about 1.5 months or so. Of course, I'm not saying this is going to be exactly accurate, but that's what I was getting. So take it with a grain of salt. Donald Trump speculations about the coronavirus.
So anyways, that's all I wanted to share. Just that, and mostly the stock market was what this video was about. And because I wanted to remake this video that I did not do very well on YouTube. But YouTube is where most of my videos are at, so if you want to see like almost all of my videos, I rarely post on Instagram. I just thought I'd do this for now today. So thanks for watching, and have a good one. And check out my YouTube channel.